Hey guys, welcome back to Mischief Maker TV. Now, as you guys know from yesterday, Mischief Maker is still in SoCal, just getting some bits and bobs done to Mischief so that he performs a little better when I go on to the much bigger and buggier trails, shall we say. So, with the Jeep being there, it's making me miss wheeling so incredibly bad. It could have something to do with me being at Sand Mountain and not being able to wheel, but I've spent a wee while just going through all the videos of wheeling from last year, and I'm putting together just some of the wheeling trips that we went on last year, and this one being Moab. Actually, EJS 2019 was my first ever time in Moab, and I was there with the Rockstar team, and it was the most incredible and insightful trip I had ever taken with regards to wheeling. And as you guys know, from then on, I didn't stop throughout the whole entire year. But this video is my first time at EJS and my first time on the trail behind the rocks. And honestly, it had some of the craziest obstacles I had ever seen in my whole entire life. And it makes me want to go back so bad and just redo all of it, because now I don't have that fear anymore. Whereas last year on that trip, everything seemed pretty terrifying, to be quite honest with you. So I put together a little video of last year behind the rocks. Let's go check it out.
about, Danny?
And
me howling at the moon.
You hit the gas? That was awesome.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless nights. Will you find me? Hope you find me.
What's up?
When the sun rise, when the sun we're trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the
Guys, that last bit when the car jumps, that is phenomenal. Yes, I said car. I'm gonna slap myself for that. That was the first time I had put Mischief Maker's tires on sand, and I honestly was like a fish out of water. I had no idea what to do. So for most of it, I actually sat back with a bunch of other of the Rockstar team, but I did do a jump, which I cannot find the video of, but if you guys know me, then you have seen the photos of me kind of jumping that Jeep kind of high, and I did it once. I said if I get air, great. If I don't, because I don't want to break anything. If I had known what I know now, I would have maybe have given it one more try, see how high I could get. But what memories that video brings back. It just makes me want to get with the whole team or with anyone that I've wheeled with, to be honest with you, and go out on the trails, you know, do some really cool stuff, get each other up the obstacles, through the obstacles, whatever it is. But I know we're kind of all mostly on lockdown right now, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. And if you guys are enjoying the channel, then please remember to subscribe and like, leave me a comment, and don't forget the notification bell. You can now go ahead and get your What the Frickle Frackle t-shirts over at www.women-wheelers.com, along with some Mischief Maker hats, and we do have some stickers left. So make sure you check that out. And until tomorrow, guys, I am going to see you later.